Alright, so we got these gigantic, if you can see, compared to my lens cap. It's a big fucking marshmallow. So we're gonna put it in the microwave. And we're gonna put it in for 1 minute. Let's see here.
It's getting bigger. That's crazy. Holy shit. It's like Stay Puft.
Oh my god. It's got 10 seconds left. That's insane.
Should I add 30 more seconds?
Yeah.
4, 3, 2.
Add 30 more
30
seconds.
more.
30 more seconds. Oh my god, dude, it's gonna fucking, it's gonna blow up,
dude.
dude.
It's gonna be so good.
It's gonna fucking blow up.
Is it gonna blow up?
I don't know.
I don't think it blows up.
I hope it blows up. I think it, oh, it's smoking. Oh, there's a hole in it. That's crazy. Now it's just blobbing down, dude.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's like a little kettle. Like a little...
Alright.
Oh, 30 more.
30 more? It's just gonna melt. It's just gonna be a
If we didn't mess the microwave and we didn't set off the smoke alarm, nothing was accomplished here. Smells good.
I love that. I love that.
It's like a
it's
pot
like a
pie.
Yeah.
With a pot pie kettle.
Alright, now take it out and put it next to one of these other ones that's not.
Whoa.
Whoa, is it hot?
Hot? Whoa, that is awesome. They need that at fucking hibachi grills. Look at that trick. Try that, samurai. Look at that.
That is awesome.
That is hilarious.
Stick your finger in it.
Oh
Whoa.
my god. That was a rotten vagina.
That's already a big marshmallow, and then it just flattens out.
That's not bad.
It's not bad?
That leaves some kind of like unchewable substance. It's like that thing you gave me last night, the nicotine Nicorette. Got your wall up. That's nuts.
Looks like a chocolate pie.